Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring where you are. Take 3 neutral photos and note eyebrow and mouth tension so you can track progress. Once done, add 2 short warm-ups, 30 seconds of eyebrow lifts and 30 seconds of a gentle smile, plus 1 minute of jaw relaxation to reset muscles. Make sure to place a visible post-it at eye level as a cue. Practice briefly 5 times a day. These early micro-habits retrain resting posture and give you data to adjust technique. Once you have consistent cues, shift to targeted retraining for the mid-phase. You practice lateral smiles, soften the brow, and release cheek tension. Do these with 2 5-minute sessions daily, using light resistance and exaggerated repetitions to build motor memory. Make sure to mix slow, controlled moves with quick, natural ones so you avoid a fixed expression. Record short videos to check timing and make micro adjustments. Viewing helps you refine what reads as you now generalize the new resting expression into real life. Begin by using cues during 2 low-stakes social interactions per day, then increase naturally. Once stable, maintain progress with 3 5-minute refreshers per week and reassess with monthly photos. If you notice lingering stiffness or a forced look, reduce intensity, focus on breath and micro-relaxation, and slow movements. If expression still feels rigid despite practice, consult a speech or movement therapist for targeted feedback and hands-on techniques.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.